You've heard a lot over the years about domestic violence against women, but a California court ruling addresses a problem we don't hear much about: men victimized by domestic violence. As ABC 7's Capitol correspondent Annette Miranda reports, shelters now must offer men the same help and protection they offer women.
And I'm glad that that's over. I'm glad that that's over.
Dave Woods is the face behind the lawsuit that is literally opening doors for battered men at domestic violence shelters in California. The 3rd District Court of Appeals ruled in his favor, saying a state-funded facility violated his rights when it turned him and his daughter away 3 times.
I'm glad that at least the way it seems right now at this moment, there are men out there that are in situations similar to mine that don't have to go through what I did.
While the court said access to programs had to be equal, the actual services do not. And therein lies the problem that'll likely keep this legal battle going for years. An agency, for example, could maintain a battered women's shelter but give hotel vouchers to men. The National Coalition for Free Men, which is leading the charge in this lawsuit, doesn't like that, but it's better than nothing. The group also doesn't like that brochures are geared towards women.
These programs will often still reach out to victims in a gender-specific manner, only referring to them as women. And that doesn't help the male victims come forward. This is really going to take a long time and more lawsuits to change.
Most California shelters have already started helping men, but admit services are still far from equal. Just 10% of those seeking help are men.
When 90% of the people coming for help are women, that's where we really have to put our resources while continuing to make sure that the men are getting the service that they need.
Dave has other battles to fight. The former Marine, whose injury is not related to domestic violence, is trying to educate people about battered men.
It does happen. If it can happen to me, if it can happen to big, strong Dave, it can happen to anyone.
In Sacramento, Annette Miranda, ABC 7 News.